Frugal living is a compelling ethos that's gaining more and more popularity, and along with minimalism, they give you the tantalizing possibility to simplify your life and save you money. But did you know that in some cases, going to the extreme and being too low maintenance can actually put a dent in your wealth? Let's count down the top 6 sneaky ways where making the wrong choices in the quest for frugal living could actually cost you more in the long run. Number 6. Skipping regular car maintenance. Putting off routine maintenance on your car seems like an easy way to save cash up front, but neglecting those recommended oil changes, tire rotations, and tune-ups is a gamble that rarely pays off. An unmaintained vehicle is far more likely to suffer from breakdowns and premature aging of parts and systems. What started as a skipped $50 service could snowball into thousands for a new transmission or engine overhaul down the road. Even worse, serious safety issues like worn brake pads put you at risk of an accident that could total your car completely. While staying on top of maintenance is a hassle, it pales in comparison to the costs and headaches that come with a broken-down, unsafe ride in need of constant repair. Number 5. Neglecting home repairs. Homeownership is a major investment, so why risk devaluing your biggest asset by neglecting routine maintenance and repairs? Problems like a leaky faucet or cracked tile might seem minor, but ignoring them allows small issues to escalate into nightmares like flooding, structural damage, or mold growth that require costly professional remediation. Worse yet, many home issues can violate codes and lead to fines from your town or homeowners association. And when it finally comes time to sell, unmaintained homes show their age, resulting in a lower list price or concessions to buyers. On the other hand, keeping up with routine tasks like caulking, painting, and fixing appliances as soon as they break helps protect your investment and ensure your home retains its value over time. While it requires continuous effort, performing regular maintenance ultimately saves you from major debt and losses down the line. Number 4. Cutting corners on healthcare. With rising medical costs, it's no wonder many try to save by going for the cheapest insurance plan or skipping routine checkups and preventive care. But being too low maintenance with your health is a massive financial gamble that rarely pays off. Developing a serious condition like cancer is terrifying enough, but the costs of treatment and hospitalization can bankrupt even affluent households. Not to mention, many chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease require continual prescription medication and monitoring that can quickly rack up out-of-pocket costs. Preventive care like screenings and physicals catch issues early when they're most treatable and affordable. And a quality health plan reduces your out-of-pocket burden while avoiding coverage gaps that can leave you holding the entire bill for a major medical event. While budgeting healthcare expenses is challenging, making your physical well-being a priority pays dividends throughout your life. Number 3. Neglecting your education and skills. In today's rapidly evolving job market, bird-dogging every last training opportunity, course, and certification is critical for long-term career success and earning potential. Many write off professional development courses and skill-building workshops as unneeded luxuries in an effort to be frugal. But commoditizing your own talents and neglecting to hone them is incredibly short-sighted and costly. With the job market and economy constantly shifting, the skills that make you an in-demand talent today won't guarantee employment in a decade. Continually upgrading your toolbox with new aptitudes, expertise, and accreditations ensures you remain competitive and promotable versus colleagues who stagnate. While training courses and credentialing programs require short-term monetary investments, the salary increases, job security, and advancement opportunities they enable make them overwhelmingly worthwhile in the long run. The most successful professionals treat themselves as works in progress and prioritize lifelong learning as a golden key to lasting wealth. Number 2. Buying cheap appliances. Who doesn't love scoring a great deal? But when it comes to big-ticket essentials like washing machines, fridges, and HVAC systems, opting for the absolute cheapest option can be extremely costly in the long run. Low-quality appliances are built with flimsier materials and less robust components, so they have much shorter usable lifespans compared to well-made models from trusted brands. That means you'll be shelling out to replace them every few years, rather than enjoying 10 to 15 years of reliable service from higher-end versions. The constant cycle of replacement is not only a drain on your budget, but also incredibly wasteful and horrible for the environment. While a top-tier appliance requires a bigger upfront investment, its energy efficiency and longevity make it a more frugal choice compared to disposable, cheap models that need replacing every year or two. Number 1. Skimping on professional services. From legal counsel to tax preparation to financial planning, there are certain areas of life where trying to DIY everything is extremely unwise and can end up costing far more than hiring an expert. Filing your own complex taxes and missing deductions could mean overpaying thousands to your local taxman that a pro could have prevented. And drafting your own legal contracts and estate documents is just begging for expensive loopholes and liabilities down the road. Small business owners especially risk major losses and lawsuits by forgoing professional services like payroll, HR compliance, and accounting. While the upfront costs of lawyers, accountants, and advisors frustrate many looking to save, their expertise ensures you operate within regulations and maximize your money compared to going it alone. And their fees pale in comparison to the penalties, back taxes, and legal headaches that come with making major financial and legal mistakes on your own. It's clear that sometimes pinching pennies just doesn't pay off. But true frugal living will help you live well and bank more cash every month. So check out this video next to learn how to cut costs without sacrificing your quality of life.